At our last roofing estimating workshop, we witnessed incredible transformations. Professionals from all corners of the industry came together, eager to master the art of accurate cost estimating and project bidding. The results? A room full of confident estimators ready to tackle any roofing project with precision. This October, we're back with another great workshop experience. Join us for a 2 day live classroom training session in downtown Lakeland, Florida, where you'll delve into critical skills needed to excel in roofing estimating. If you're looking to refine your expertise, this workshop is designed to elevate your professional capabilities. Over the course of the 2 days, you'll learn to perform detailed quantity takeoffs and prepare robust project estimates. Master the art of cost allocation, covering everything from direct to indirect costs, including contingencies and escalation factors. Develop a competitive bidding strategies to create accurate project schedules based on your estimates. We will practice takeoffs and estimating exercises throughout the 2 days, and so much, much more. On October 22nd and 23rd in Lakeland, Florida, which is conveniently located between Tampa and Orlando, this workshop offers both knowledge and experience. You'll engage with like minded professionals, share insights, and enjoy a productive learning environment with lunch provided. I'm excited to guide you through this journey. Estimating is more than just numbers, it's about strategy, precision, and confidence. We'll build the skills you need to succeed in any roofing construction project together. Spaces are limited though, so don't wait. Secure your spot today and take the first step towards mastering roofing estimating. If you can't make it in October, be sure to reserve your spot for the next class. I look forward to seeing each and every one of you very soon.